Ariana made a YouTube video that got 50 million views in one day. So I decided to make a YouTube video in hopes of getting even 1% of her views. It was awesome. I had a spare of the moment idea. Was sitting at Starbucks and I was like, this is kind of what inspired it. I bought this pink denim jacket at Goodwill. So I was like, okay, let's go to Goodwill. Let's see if they have another pink denim jacket. And guess what? They had one. How rude. And then I also saw this top, which is like more of the color that I was looking for. It's like a purpley pink. And I was like, okay, you know what? We'll do like a crew neck and a jacket. We have options and like sizes. I got some of these little felt thingamabobs. Izzy is going to have a field day if I don't put those away. And then I got this patch since the U is only one letter versus YOU. I was like, oh, you know what? We'll splurge. We'll get a nice big patch for that one. And then I got these patches and then I figured we'll just like paint the other letters and kind of like make the fonts look different and whatnot. And then I got these little cute pens that I thought could go on the collar of the jacket, so like one there and one there. So our first step, you're going to measure some felt strips with the little U patch that we bought. You're gonna do 1 square, 2 rectangles, and then cut those out with fabric scissors. Now you want to use different mediums for each letter, and I'm starting with an iron-on letter and then moving on to draw an H with a fabric pen. Next, I'm going to paint on an A and making this a little bit smaller so that the letters are all different sizes as well as fonts. Next, I'm using a different iron-on letter, and last, I am using the paint and the pen to create a unique looking K. And moving on to the U, I'm just going to glue this on because this tends to work a little bit better than the adhesive when the patches are a bit heavier. And then I'm going to use a paint pen to create the comma after the U. And now I'm just going to continue the process with the word next, and that completes all of your text. Okay, I'm an idiot. I just glued these on and didn't film it, but I mean, you guys get it. You just glue it down, let it dry for like 24 hours. The next step is to do a lip print right here. The problem is that I went to 3 different craft stores and I could not find a lip print stencil. If I had time, I would order one online and wait for it to get here, but I don't have time for that. I have to capitalize on this now. So I'm gonna put paint on my lips and actually put a lip print on here. I don't suggest doing this. Please don't do this. Like, if you ingest paint, that's not a good thing. Don't do that. Get a stencil, okay guys? I'll link one down below. Painted my lips. Let's give this a go. Oh my god, it didn't work at all. Oh my god. Okay, that one kind of worked. It's so hard to explain unless you have a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, you have hours of content of yourself. A stranger doesn't really need to be able to go watch that content of you. Audrey and I are going to be handcuffed for 24 hours on Thanksgiving on Black Friday because you need a little twist.
It's called running out of content.